Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to turn on mobile data on Qnet Mobile C32. And okay guys, before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you all have to do is go to setting in your Qnet Mobile C32. In settings, go to network and internet. And network and internet, okay, you can see the SIM card. Okay, you'll have to do is tap the SIM card. And SIM card, okay, you can see the prepaid SIM for and okay. So I have one SIM card insert to my mobile phone. So you'll have to do is turn on the switch button on the right side to turn on the mobile data. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully enabled or turn on the mobile data. And okay guys, this is the first step. Okay, another step to turn on the mobile data on your Qnet Mobile C32, you'll have to do is slide from top to bottom and you can see the mobile data icon. And okay guys, the mobile data is on. And to turn off this, you'll have to do is tap the mobile data. And okay guys, we have successfully turned off. And to turn on again, okay, you'll have to do is tap the mobile data icon. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully turned on the mobile data on my Qnet Mobile C32. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.